Salve, my Catholic is awesome friend. Until 2022, the Catholic population in Asia has reached nearly 155 million people, making the Catholic Church the largest church in Asia. This number of Asian Catholics accounts for 11% of the world's total Catholics. In the 21st century, besides Africa, Asia is also the continent with the fastest growing Catholicism in the world. In fact, Asia is also called the future of the Catholic Church, together Africa. On the other hand, Asia is mostly populated by Muslims and Hindus, who make up 50% of the population. Meanwhile, Catholics make up almost 4% of the Asian population. But did you know that there are a number of Asian countries with the largest Catholic population and even the majority? Here are the 12 countries with the largest Catholic populations in Asia. 12. Malaysia. Malaysia has the 12th largest Catholic population in Asia in terms of numbers. In 2021, there were 1,292,000 Malaysian Catholics, accounting for 4% of the population. Malaysian Catholics are spread across 9 dioceses. 11. Timor-Leste. Timor-Leste is the Asian country with the 11th largest Catholic population. In 2021, the number of Catholics in the country reached 1,362,000. Even in terms of percentage, the Catholic population in Timor-Leste accounts for 96% of the population and is the second highest in the world after the Vatican. Timor-Leste consists of 3 dioceses. 10. Pakistan. Pakistan is a country with the largest Catholic population in Asia. In this country, there are 1,578,000 Catholics, or almost 1% of the population. Nine. Sri Lanka. In the 9th position is Sri Lanka. This country, which has 12 dioceses, has 1,676,000 Catholics, slightly more than Pakistan, or almost 8% of the population. 8. Saudi Arabia. Who would have thought that Saudi Arabia would be in 8th place? Although it is the Islamic center of the world, Catholicism is the second largest religion in this country and even the country with the 8th largest Catholic population in Asia. In 2021, there were 1,834,000 Saudi Arabian Catholics, accounting for almost 6% of the population. However, the country does not allow the construction of Catholic churches, so millions of Saudi Arabian Catholics have no place to worship or mass, and have to go to other Arab countries such as the UAE or Bahrain to attend mass. 7. Lebanon. In 7th place is the country of Lebanon. The country has 2,034,000 Catholics, accounting for 47% of the population in 2021. Most Lebanese Catholics use the Antiochian Eastern Rite in the Maronite Catholic Church. 6. South Korea. It's no surprise that South Korea is included in this list. Yes, entering the 21st century, South Korea's Catholic population is growing very rapidly and has now reached 5,859,000 parishioners, accounting for 11% of the population in 2021. The high number of adult baptisms of people converting to Catholicism has led to the growth of Catholics in South Korea from just 1% in 1950 to 11% of the population in 2021. Even the current president of South Korea is a Catholic, with 3 former presidents being Catholic. South Korea is made up of 16 dioceses, and the majority of South Koreans are atheists, accounting for 51% of the population. 5. Vietnam. Vietnam has the 5th largest Catholic population in Asia. The country's Catholic population has reached 7.3 million, accounting for nearly 8% of the population, and is spread across 27 dioceses. The Catholic population in Vietnam continues to grow, and the majority of Vietnamese adhere to traditional Vietnam beliefs, which account for 74% of the population. 4. China. The bamboo curtain country of China comes in at number 4. Yes, the country's Catholic population in 2020 reached 9.8 million Catholics, accounting for almost 1% of the population. Catholicism continues to thrive in China despite limited religious freedom in some provinces. China currently consists of 154 dioceses and non-diocesan ecclesiastical regions. 3. Indonesia. Indonesia has the 3rd largest Catholic population in Asia. As of July 2024, the population of Indonesian Catholics, according to data from the Catholic Community Guidance, has reached 12,485,894 people, Catholics, accounting for almost 5% of Indonesia's population. Although Indonesia is a Muslim-majority country with 85% of the population, Catholics are the majority in 2 of Indonesia's 38 provinces, namely East Nusa Tenggara Province, which is famous for its Labuan Bajo tourism and the world-famous Komodo fauna, and South Papua Province, which has its capital in Merauke. Catholics in Indonesia, although a minority, have a great influence in a number of fields such as sports, entertainment, education, and politics in Indonesia. In fact, 3 Catholic universities are among the top 10 national private universities in Indonesia in 2022. On the other hand, Catholicism is the fastest growing religion in Indonesia, beating the growth of other religions. Every year, there are more than 20,000 people who convert to Catholicism in Indonesia, either through baptism or acceptance, or RCIA. Indonesia currently has 38 dioceses, plus 1 diocese for the army or police. 2. India. Who would have thought that India would be in second place? This Hindu majority country, which accounts for almost 80% of the population, has a Catholic population of 22,950,000 in 2021, accounting for almost 2% of the population. Indian Catholics are spread across 176 dioceses and non-diocesan ecclesiastical areas. In addition to the Roman Latin Rite, India also has two Eastern rites in the Syro-Malabar Catholic Church and the Syro or Syro-Malankara Catholic Church, some of which were former Orthodox churches that converted to Catholicism after reuniting with Rome but retained their old Orthodox liturgies and traditions. 1. Philippines. The country with the largest Catholic population in Asia is the Philippines. This neighbor of Indonesia has a number of Catholics reaching up to 92,657,000 people in 2021, or covering 84% of the population and being the majority. Filipino Catholics are spread across 87 dioceses and non-diocesan ecclesiastical areas. The Philippines is even the country with the third largest Catholic population in the world after Brazil and Mexico, followed by the United States in fourth place. My Catholic is awesome friend, those are the 12 countries with the largest Catholic population in Asia. Hopefully Asian Catholics will continue to grow in quantity and also in quality, namely faith, hope, and love. My Catholicism is cool and awesome. Salve and Shalom.